If you're getting 0 views on TikTok or any other short form video platform, watch this video because I have the fix for you. If you haven't subscribed already, now is a great time to do that as a way of saying thank you for all the free information that we give out here at Studio Hacks. So I have built up dozens of accounts on short form video platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Snapchat, and many of them have tens of thousands, some of them hundreds of thousands of followers. And it is a very common problem to get 0 views on your video. And it's especially a problem when you're first starting out or when you have a small account. Now, here is the short answer for you. If you are getting 0 views or very low views, I would say under 50 or under 40 views, it means that the platform does not trust you. It thinks you are a bot, and it thinks that you are some kind of AI tool or something that's just auto uploading, and it doesn't think you're a real human. So basically, to fix the problem, you just have to convince the platform that you are a human again. So here is an account that I started just to promote some of my courses. And I was also using a tool called repurpose.com, which was automatically taking my content that I was making on YouTube Shorts, and it was auto posting it to this account, which is how I got a lot of views on the account. I have quite a few videos on this account that are over 1 million views. And you can see here recently, I started getting stuck in that low views or 0 views jail. There's 8 views, 5 views, 9 and 8. So basically all you have to do to fix this problem is just stop posting and go and become a consumer for a little while. So you have to go and just use the app for about half an hour and just browse through the videos and like a couple if you really like them, comment on one if you want. Don't comment too much. Don't like too many videos because that's suspicious as well. Just act like you normally would if you were just watching your own TikTok, your own Instagram, whatever. Just scroll through it. Do that for 1 or 2 days, and then the next time you post, don't upload a video to it. Record a video within the app by hitting that plus button. That is a surefire way to tell the algorithm that you are a human, you're not a bot. And you can see here that I did a quick video after I had been in this 0 view jail. And I'm back into the algorithm again. You should be getting a minimum of 100 to 200 views. And then that just tells you, yes, your views are being pushed out into the algorithm. Then when you create content that people really like, you've hit a winner. You can see there I got 600,000 views, 66,000 views, 151,000. So when you're getting up to that 200 and 300 views again, it means you are hitting the algorithm. And then all you have to do from there is work on your content, make sure that it hooks people in, because if it gets enough likes and enough watch time in the first 200 or 300 views, then the algorithm will then give you another 1,000 or 2,000 views. You can see here, it's like you get through the next gate. And then after about 1,000 to 2,000 views, if you've got the right ratio of watch time and enough likes and enough comments, then it will then push it out and then give you tens of thousands of views. Then you have the chance of properly going viral and getting 1 million or more views on your videos. And if you can get 1 million views on 1 out of every 20 of your videos, your account will grow like crazy. You'll have so many people follow you. So that is how you get out of the 0 views on TikTok problem. And this also applies to YouTube Shorts. You just have to build trust on the platform by using it like a normal human for a while. Avoid mass uploads and record your content using the actual app itself, and it should fix the problem. Then after you've fixed the problem and your trust score is going high again on the platform, then if you were uploading a few videos like from your computer or straight from your phone, you should be able to continue on with that behavior and you won't find the same problem. Okay, I hope you found this content valuable. If you did, make sure you do subscribe to the Studio Hacks YouTube channel, like I said before. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.